Hi everybody, it's me, Carrie, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Farmington Hills, Michigan. I am seeing if anybody pops on while I don't know why it keeps saying that I don't want it. I just don't know why it keeps saying only show star comments. It's so weird. Oh, Facebook. So I'm trying to get it to get in place. Here we go. That's it. So hopefully I'll be able to see your comments on my tablet. So here we go. All right. So I'm going to just go through. Now, I know you guys can watch like a lot of people do unboxing. And I know that some of my friends ordered absolutely everything that we were allowed to order from the new catalog, which I wish I would have loved to have done that. But, you know, I mean, I have my limits. So I tried to set everything up in the way they are set up in the catalog, so that I could give you a little bit of information. I have my catalog off to the side here. Hopefully it doesn't fall over. But if you hear a loud crash. So this first batch that I'm showing you is from a super sweet called Unbound Beauty. So it comes with 2 stamp sets, as you can see here, Flowers of Beauty, Unbound Love, which has some awesome sentiments in it. But the Flowers of Beauty has dies that go with it. These are actually really awesome when they're cut out, the flowers. Oh, they're pretty cool. So I'm excited to play with those. They showed us a lot of stuff with that, and the stalks, and then the things that will cut out, like these two, it's 2-step stamping, as you can see. Things go together. So, yeah, it's pretty awesome. So it's got all the stuff to be able to cut things out. So that's very cool. So that is the Flowers of Beauty. And then the Unbound Love, you guys know I'm a sentiment like fiend. I love them. And they're just some really good ones in here. But honestly, look at these. Look at these dies. Look how cute. Look at this. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to play. Cannot wait. But it just came in, and I didn't play yet because I wanted to show you guys. It also comes with these dots. They're the in color resin dots. Now I did want to show you guys something, so I'm going to set this aside, but I'll show you the dots real quick because I was going to show you how my friend taught me. My friend Travis, you guys hear me talk about her all the time. And so instead of undoing those, I'm going to show you a trick with this. I guess I'll just do it now. So what she does is, so there's the resin dots, so cool. She trims this a little bit neater. I'm just going to do a real quickie for you. So I'm going to just trim it right there. Okay. Then you take a strong adhesive like tear and tape, and you put a little piece on it like so, and you undo the transfer. I can see that you guys are watching. Then you can put this right like that. So when you want to get it back out, and I have to just remember what side, there we go. I would trim this a little better, but for now, you guys get the idea. I will set it inside, maybe, oh, not on camera, hold on. Not on camera, you guys. There we go. But see, now you have a little pull tab. Is that a great idea? I just think that's very smart. So it comes with these. These are the in colors in resin dots. The one you saw before was like sparkly. I'll show them to you again at the end. So it comes with that. It comes with this designer series paper called Unbound Beauty. I should have known that. I'll show you both sides real quick. So pretty. And of course, it is it is in the in colors. So that's kind of nice, right? And then the back is modeled. I guess I had this one upside down. Should have went the other way because, no, maybe not. But, I mean, even just the back muddled, whatever you want to call it, watercolory, they are really pretty too. So it comes with that. And then, look at this. These are the in colors. This is called Glimmer Specialty Paper. So pretty in the 5 in colors. So that is super sweet number 1, Unbound Beauty. Then, hang on while I flip my page. I wish I could show you the catalog, you guys. Oh, it is so beautiful. All right, so this is called Country Woods. And it comes again with 2 stamp sets and 2 die sets. So this is the first one, Country Florals. And here are the dies for that. So it cuts everything out, but it also gives you, like, see the teapot? You've got the teapot, but here's a little lid, so you can make a lid for the teapot. Now, there is no teacup, but I was looking at this when my friend had it at Onstage, and look, if you punch that out and cut off the handle, you have a little teacup that you can then decorate. So you do have a teacup, you just have to play with it. And then that's the stool, or if it's summer, it's a sandcastle. I don't know. But anyway, this is really, really a cute, cute set. Then the Country Birdhouse. This is unusual, right? How many? Oh, it says I have a slow connection. I hope everything's okay. But birdhouses are fun. And then the dies, you can like build a birdhouse. Even has a little stand if you wanted for your birdhouse. Isn't it cute? I'm not sure what everything does, but I'll figure it out. I promise. So it's even got a place to cut out the holes. See here? So very cool. So there's the stamps and dies. Okay. All right. It comes with the, I'm not going to pull them out. I should have, but these are, I believe they are basic gray and smoky slate pearls. So there's more of them up here, larger and then smaller. Okay. And then here is the petal pink and white ribbon. This ribbon is very pretty. I keep looking for comments, but I'm not seeing any. And I don't know if it's because it's saying sent with stars. But this ribbon, can you see how it's kind of like got a diagonal stripe to it? So it's petal pink and white, which is very pretty. And then this eyelet folder. Now, this is a folder you're used to seeing. A regular size 3D folder, right? I'm going to set this aside because I've got one of the other ones. They're huge. Some of the new folders are huge. Okay, so here's this DSP. Definitely great for making your bird house, right? Bunch of wood pieces on this side. I love that. I just think that's really different. Okay, and then the back side is more. Look at how this looks like it's a really old, crusty, excuse me, crusty wood. That one too. So look at that. Anyway, so that's one of the designer series papers. It comes with 2 packs of designer series paper. This is the other one. So we will go through this real quick. And then the other side, it's very muted, so I'm hoping you guys can see it. That is not just white. There's a design in these. So if you think you're seeing a solid color, you're not. Look, denim. Awesome. Okay. So that is for that suite. Now, here is the next one. This suite is a regular suite. It's called Thoughtful Journal. So, it just comes with one stamp set, which I really like. It's very pretty. It's got great sentiments. And then there's a die in here that honestly sold me on the whole thing. So, can you see this? This is all one die. I'm so excited. I am so excited. And then, of course, the dies to cut out the other things and extra leaves. And somebody said this reminded them of a corn stalk. So, hey, you know, why not? Could be great if you go to farmers markets, right, and do a scrapbook page. So, that is that bundle. Of course, you can buy just the bundle, but I like to show the whole suite when I have it. This designer series paper is called Thoughtful Journey, and it's got scenes, and then I will show you the back side. I just think these are so pretty. I love this like watercolor mess look. I love it. It's like what we try to create, right? So it's done for us. Okay, so that's that designer series paper. These are fun gems. These are adhesive back pearl trios. So you can see there's another color here. I'm sorry, I don't know the colors yet, but it's pretty. Love that too. It doesn't say on the back, so I can't even tell you. And then look at this. This is the in colors again. But can you see how gorgeous? And it comes in, well, these are not the, I don't know if these are the in colors. I'm not 100% sure. Let me see if it says what these colors are. Oh, it does. It says it is Cajun Craze, Calypso Coral, Lost Lagoon, Misty Moonlight, Mossy Meadow, Petunia Pop, which is an in color, Pretty Peacock, and Wild Wheat. So, I think it's a mix because it's faded. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the color kind of fades. You see how it's like, oh, it's just white on the other side, but it's so pretty. Okay, so we have all of those. Then we have, of course, I bought all of the ink pads. Okay. Which is like no big surprise. I also bought the ink pad for the new Basic Beige, which I will show you that in cardstock in just a second. I want to show you this. Oh, I got the markers. I got all the blending pens. I got all the ribbon. So this is the in color ribbon. So I have all of it. It's really pretty. Can you guys see that stitch in it? So there's a stitch. And they have it in basic gray. It's the same stitch. So you can kind of see the color. Okay, this is a new die. It's called Dotted Circles. Look at the size of this thing. It is huge by comparison to what I mean, you know, usually we have like 6x6 dies, so, you know, it would be like that, but this is 6 by 8.5. So you could do the front and back of a card all at once. So cool. So anyway, that is called Dotted Circles. So that is it. This is the other in color that I showed you guys before. In color sparklies. These you guys have not seen. Oh, let me get to the colors. You guys have seen them, but Petunia Pop, Summer Splash, Peach Pie, Shy Shamrock, Pretty in Pink is back, and then this is the Basic Beige. And if you're looking for this in the catalog, it's going to be with the other basics, Basic Black, Basic White, that kind of stuff. Took us a little while to find it. So then this is a new cards and paper. This is called Calming Creek. It's $8, but you get 5 each. All of the envelopes match. Okay. But these are, they're white inside. You guys saw that we played with some of these. You guys might remember I had a card with that. And then there's another pack called Sunny Springs. So let me grab that. Again, it has, look how pretty these envelopes are. And look at the inside. They are just, oh, so pretty. So these are the card bases for this batch. So some super fun new toys. And of course, I already showed you guys the Spotlight on Nature with these awesome it's 2 sheets of these circle dies. And the Leaf Collection, which is a big die. It's a big one. And I already showed you guys this. This actually comes in a suite, this paper. But I won the paper. I didn't buy the suite. Mediterranean Blooms, which I showed you guys before. So they're very pretty, and they have the pretty on the back also. So, like I said, I did not buy as much as a lot of people did, but I bought plenty, thank you. And while I'm thinking of it, those of you Paper Pumpkin subscribers, the Thanks and Beyond dies, I made sure to add that to my order. So this is a really nice one. It has a good label, an outline and an inside of a butterfly, and then thanks. So this is a good one to add on to your Paper Pumpkin kit. So don't forget it. Thanks and Beyond, 164397. I think it's $12. I'm not 100%, but I'm pretty sure it was $12. Could be less, but I mean, it's 4 dies. So very cool, very cool. Anyway, this was pretty quick. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm really excited to start playing with my new toys, and I look forward to sharing. But remember that the current catalog and the current mini are still available. So I am going to be showing you that kind of stuff. Also, I will be posting the retirement list, but the sale does not, the discounts do not start until April. So just know that. But if you want to nab things like re-inkers, especially for the in colors that are going away, grab them now. Shop at MemoryINKers.com. March hostess code ZY4P3NV7. Okay, you guys, have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye. Thanks for watching.